If your air conditioner is acting up, knowing what each part does, especially the condenser coil, can seriously help you fix things faster and save money. So, the condenser coil is basically the part that kicks out heat from your home by transferring it from the refrigerant to the outside air. To keep it running smooth, first, make sure the coil is clean because dirt blocks heat transfer, making your AC work harder and use more energy. You can just hose it down gently or use a coil cleaner spray if it's super grimy. Also, check if the fan near the coil is spinning right since it helps blow that hot air away. If it's not working, the coil can overheat. Keep plants and debris at least 2 feet away from your outdoor unit to let air flow freely around the coil. If you notice your AC isn't cooling well, it might be low on refrigerant, so call a pro to check and recharge it safely. Regular maintenance every year or so helps catch problems with the condenser coil before they hit your wallet hard. And don't forget to turn off power before doing any cleaning to stay safe. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser coils is ignoring dirt buildup, which reduces cooling efficiency and spikes electric bills. Fix it by cleaning the coil regularly. Another common issue is blocking airflow. Stuff like leaves or bushes too close to the outdoor unit makes the coil work overtime. Trimming back anything around the unit solves this. Lastly, some folks overlook fan problems near the coil, which means heat doesn't get pushed out properly. Testing and replacing a faulty fan motor keeps things cool and comfy. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect for homeowners needing trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle AC repairs and maintenance. Contractors also find steady work there because homeowners looking for skilled help can connect with them easily.